What's going on, YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency streamer. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrencies with some serious efficiency. If you guys want to make better gains, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And if you guys want the little additive edge in the price action, you've got to follow me on my socials. I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys with your entries. And for those of you who just want to know a little bit more about my life, I finally got my Instagram going. Lots of stuff going on there. Be sure to check it out, guys. Today I wanted to go over Bitcoin, Electroneum, and Mana. Definitely some amazing projects, guys. And if you guys want specific coin requests, you've got to become a member. But we have no time left to waste. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I am going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so we're going to start out with Bitcoin. Now I actually haven't started to tackle this one yet today, but I just wanted to show you guys just right where I'm going to be leaning here, right out the gate. So in simplicity, guys, we have a very strong polar support right here, which is seemingly being held, and notice the EMAs are starting to tighten up again. We had a rejection off of the 200 on the 1 hour, guys. That's actually a decent sign. That means we're building up for an even possible bigger movement here. I am leaning a little bit bullish right now. Yes, my eyes are blue at the moment, but I want to wait for at least a flipping of the 200 before I get a little bit more confirmed here. We're waiting for a little bit more, okay? And what I'd be doing in these moments is playing a few different things. So for instance, we could have an ascending triangle right here, okay? Not the clearest points of resistance, but in general we do have a very clear uptrend here in the short term, okay? So we could either get a breakout right here, or we could kind of just keep moving to the right, in which case I would just measure from the back, okay? So like taken from right here, okay, to the point of potential breakout. Let's say if we actually broke out like right here, could easily be having an inverse Bart Simpson play out very nicely and retesting some resistances up at around $50,000. Now, what I'd be doing in the immediate, guys, is going down to the smaller time frames and playing your patterns within patterns, okay? So lots of chaining opportunities here, and I would make these a nice white. Notice how this plays out very nicely, guys, and I just want to show you guys how to do this in case you're not sure. Okay, a couple moments of overbought territory there. Okay, but still notice just lots and lots of wedges playing out, guys, and that's the beauty about these moves. You can use wedge theory to really maximize your profit potential here and make some serious gains quickly. Okay, just going to finish these off for you. Okay, guys, easy chains, easy chains. Now we're kind of working with that right now as well. That's exactly how I'd be playing this, guys. Just kind of watch for the breakouts of these smaller patterns and then ride up to new resistance, okay? And use target projection using wedge theory for each of them, and then reanalyze once you get to your target projection, quite simply, guys. And let's go up to the bigger time frames, just look at what's going on here. And guys, again, just in simplicity, we've got to get a flipping of the major EMAs here. So once we flip the 100, the 200, guys, you're going to see my eyes beyond green here. We'll be definitely looking pretty bullish. I was actually anticipating a bit of a move already. Didn't quite get it yet. So guys, honestly, I've been accumulating a little bit more coin here. The lowest we could go is like low 40s, worst case scenario, and I'm kind of leaning bullish right now. We're getting a tightening of the EMAs, just like I said, kind of sideways movement. Notice the stotch is unloaded though. We go to the daily, the stotch is almost loaded, guys. That's leaning more bullish in my book, okay? So play those indications in combination with volume so you can make this trade a reality, guys. Let's go over to Electroneum. Now, guys, a lot of people still worried about this coin. I'm still really not, and there's many reasons why. And we could just widen this right out, guys. Notice the relevance. Okay, definitely a very big channel playing out right here. Okay, so again, same theories. Use wedge theory, measure the patterns within patterns right here. Okay, play the oversold and overbought moments, guys. If you're not sure how to do that, that's what the student program will really help you for. Okay, but in general, guys, notice the widening of the bands. Lots of barbell theory playing out all over the place. The widening, the tightening, the widening. Okay, lots of these opportunities here. So for instance, we could be having something like that now. We could be getting a little bit of a breakdown here. Probably a retest of this support down here at 0.008. That's exactly where I'd be looking. And in general, guys, we need a little bit more bullish favor here, just in full transparency. Okay, we've got definitely a pattern playing out here. But to be honest, it's so dirty, and there's a lot of volatility with this coin. We don't have too much to work with. We have to play the patterns within patterns here. Okay, so To be honest, guys, we need more volume. Notice the volume spikes and then the attempts of breakouts. They just didn't happen. Okay, so for instance, as this kind of tightens up and or breaks down through the support, notice the stock will load up. For instance, you go to the 4 hour, we're unloaded, we go to the daily, and we're again almost loaded. So for instance, main coin, some alts, leaning long-term bullish but short-term chop. Okay, that's where we're kind of leaning board wide. And again, same theories, we want to start to walk up and break reverse pressure, guys. Then we can start to breathe easy, so to speak. But remember, when the fear is high in the market, it means it's time to get in. All right, let's jump over to Mana real quick. Okay, guys, now this has been just an incredible project for me, and for just so many reasons. I mean, my gosh, look at this go. And guys, we're still holding trend right now. Okay, so I'm not super worried, but if we break this trend line, we'll easily be retesting the 200, guys. So again, from the daily, we are almost loaded up. Go down to the 1 hour, we're unloaded. So maybe a little bit more chop in the way, but guys, I'm still leaning overall bullish pretty soon, and you guys are going to see why. Okay, so notice, again, many moments of oversold territory here, guys. Let me know if any of you guys actually caught this big wick down. That's incredible. And again, same theories, guys. We're getting a tightening of those EMAs. That means an expansion is coming. And guys, this project is really going to have a massive run up. This will look like nothing up here at $5.50. I'm easily projecting, geez, $8, $9 maybe within the next 6 months, guys. This is one you do not want to miss. I'm riding basically free mana, all free mana at this point, and it's only going to get better and better, guys. Same situations need to start walking up, okay, to start to get rid of some of this fear in the market. A lot of people very fearful right now. And guys, that is all the time I have for today. Just some wild, epic times in cryptocurrency. I cannot stress enough. Just some amazing, amazing gains. Man, from leverage to spot buys, derivative buys, staking, everything I've got is going really well right now. I can't even believe it. I'm in shock, to be honest. You never expect plans to go so perfectly. And even with the student program, guys, so many people just discovering financial freedom. I get messages almost every day saying, thank you for all your help. You've changed my life. And guys, I'm not going to lie, after I made money, the most rewarding thing was seeing you guys do it. And that's been like a core place with my happiness, guys. So if you want to make better gains, head over to the student program, get signed up, guys. We are discovering things about you guys every single day that lead you guys to having a reality of making serious money. That's what this course is all about, getting to the place someday where you don't need me and you are totally self-sufficient. And even with that, you still have a group of professionals at your back, guys. Join Zion, discover financial freedom, guys. Just remember, you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.